Hi, let us talk about Katalon Platform Studio now. Let's search. It is an automation testing software tool developed by Katalon Corporation. The software is built on top of the open source automation frameworks like Selenium Appium with specialized integrated development environment interface for web API, mobile and desktop application testing. Please note, the major Katalon Studio programming language is Groovy, which is itself built on Java. You can visit the major website and download your free studio. Now, back to the studio, say File, New, Project. I'm gonna call it Katalon Framework. Select the type, web, API, mobile, desktop, whatever. We go for web, we aim for web. Everything else is fine, simply click OK. The build process started. All good. Quick start page. Don't need it. Start page, we don't need it. Let's click on test cases folder and there is nothing there. Right click, new, test case. Let's call it travel site. Description. Click OK. Now at this point, please notice there is manual and script mode. In manual, there is nothing yet. However, if we gonna visit the script mode, you already got the inputs, the imports here. Everything is imported already, and we are ready to go. Let's create our first test case in manual mode. To do it, I need to add whatever I want. Web UI, mobile, Cucumber, web service, whatever code. We're working on web project, web UI. I want to open browser. Let's go to script mode. And you see the web UI keyword already added us. If we go for it, we can write the same test case in the script mode. However, it's not necessary. Let's go manual. Now I want to add another keyword and I want to maximize window. It's very simple. Let's add another keyword and I want to navigate to URL. Here I need to enter the URL itself. Click OK. Let's switch to script mode. Here we go. Add another web UI keyword. I want to stay on page for a while. I'll type delay. And here I need to type, let's say 3 seconds value in seconds. Click OK. Then I want to, let's say I want to take screenshot, this one. Here I need to enter the value. However, I need to create another folder here. New folder. The name will be screenshots. Okay. So I need to provide here, I'll switch to script mode. And I need to enter the value here. Right here, and the screenshot will be travel. Or general travel. Then I go to manual, add another web UI keyword, and I want to close browser. Close browser. That's it. Now I want to save the file. Once again, let's see. Recent keywords already, we've got it. All good. Let's switch from manual to script mode. All good. So first we open browser, then we maximize the browser window, navigate to URL, delay for 3 seconds, take screenshot, and close the browser. Now it's time to run it. To run it is pretty simple. We need to select where. Chrome default, Firefox, Edge Chromium, let's say. Let's run in Chrome default. I'll drag our and I'm gonna run it in Chrome now. Execution job started. Okay. Let's see. It passed. Elapsed time 22 seconds. Test cases travel site. Let's see our steps. Open browser. Maximize window. Navigate. Delay. Take screenshots. Now let's refresh screenshots. Let's open it. If you can see, there is a general travel. Double click on it. And we've got our screenshot. Very good. Now I'll delete it. Okay. Now I'm going to rerun it. Refresh. We don't need it anymore. And let's rerun it in different browser. We're looking for multi-browsing. Let's go with Edge. Paste again. All good. Refresh the screenshot folder. Again, here it is. You can make it multi-names if you want. Let's say for Chrome, for Edge, for Firefox. But I'm gonna run it again for Firefox now. Very good. Same path. Refresh. Screenshot is here. Very good. We like it. So, right now we learned how to create script in manual mode, correlated to script mode. You can write directly the way you like in script mode. If you like, you can work in manual mode. Simply add some keywords, okay? Whatever you need. Now, let's create another kind of test. This time, I want to create new test case. Actually, no. To create this new test case, we need to record and play it back first. Now, let us record web right here. Record by web, record web here. Another option, spile mobile, record mobile. I'm choosing record web. I'm entering the website and we need to select we're gonna record in which browser. Let's say in Chrome. And we go there. First of all, I'm gonna maximize the window. We can expand it to see the details, however, it's not necessary. So, our current age is, let's say, age 40. Planned retirement age is, let's say, 65. Life expectancy, let's say, 100. Current pre-tax income, let's say, 80. Then assumptions. Your current income increase, let's say, 2% per year. Income needed after retirement, 75%. Let's switch it to dollar first. Then income needed after retirement, we want, let's say, $12,000. Average investment return, let's say 5% per year. Inflation rate, let's say okay, I'll make it 2 per year. Then optional, other income after retirement. Let's say after retirement we want to earn extra $500 monthly. Then your current retirement savings, let's make it $45,000. Future retirement savings, switch it to dollar sign, and let's make it 15. Okay, good. And now we need to calculate. Click on calculate. Let's see review again. And let's click on calculate. Here we go. We're all good. Now I want to save the script. If I want to expand it at this point and maximize it, we see same mode as before. Okay, same as before in manual. You can add whatever you like. If you see, I want to add a web UI keyword here. Accept alert, you might need it when you open a web page where some alerts or cookies. Then I want delay for 3 seconds. And then I want to close browser. Close browser. Okay, we're good here. Once again. All good. Now we need to save all our script. You click Save the script. And here, all these objects, web elements, locators, we need to save to our object repository right now. All here on your left side, create new folders as structured before in object repository. All these element locators. However, select a destination folder or create new folder. I'll create new folder under object repository and I'll say retirement plan. Click OK. And all these objects checked, all of them are blue and checked. They're all saved here right now in retirement plan. And click OK. Create new test case. Retirement plan. Good. And tag will be click OK. As you can see now, you've got all your retirement plan. Very good. Very good. Right now we're in manual. Let's switch to script mode. Web UI objects. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now what? I'll take a screenshot. Insert. Insert after Web UI keyword. Take screenshot. Here we need to provide screenshot same style. I'll go to travel site. I'll go to copy. Copy it. Go to retirement plan. Take another screenshot. However, I'm gonna call it different. Income. Good. We go back to manual. Let's see. Very good. Script, manual. Okay. Now, please notice something. Object repository. All capture web elements, we check them into a retirement plan folder, and right now they're right here. Here they are. All of them located. First of all, I need to file. I'll go file, save. I need to save our file. Then, if you double click on any of that input average, for example, if you can see, have parent object right now, no. Parent iframe, no. Now, selection method by XPath. There are some attributes like ID, value, etc., or CSS cascading style sheets. Selected locator, the value is right here. Let's pick up another one. Input per year. Same style by XPath, and selected locator is right here. Okay. You know where to locate your objects. Now, let's execute our test. Let me check it. Saved. Okay, good. Now let's execute it. In Chrome first. Finally calculate. Very good. Passed as expected. Right here, as you can see, 38 seconds. Test cases retirement plan, location. All the steps from open browser. Take screenshot to delay. Take screenshot and close browser. Let me go here. I'll refresh screenshots. As you can see, another one is here. Good. I'm gonna delete it. Then I'm going to execute it in Edge. Screenshot is large size because I specifically for you to see the Katalon Studio code and IDE better, I enlarged the screen. If you go for regular 100%, so it's gonna be fine. Same style. Steps passed. And I'm going to re-execute it. Refresh. Gonna delete it. Of course I won't. And then Firefox. The script is working now with the web elements, which are located in our Katalon Studio object repository in specific retirement folder. Very good. The test is a pass, as you can see. Green line. All is perfectly fine. You can expand it if you like. Good. Screenshots. Refresh. All there. Now, something else I'd like to add. In case sometimes for Katalon Studio, from time to time, a Katalon Studio requires some updates. In case you haven't updated it due to timely manner, okay? So it might give you some kind of execution of your web browser warnings. To update your web drivers, Katalon Studio web drivers, you go to Tools, Update web drivers here for Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Modern Edge Chromium here. You click and the system is going to update it for you. Okay? So right now you learn how to create a project in Katalon Studio, how to create a test cases. First test case was in manual, how to switch from manual to script mode. You can work, it doesn't matter the style you're gonna select, you can work as manual, all you need to add some keywords. Okay, or you can write directly, like I explained in Groovy language. Okay, however, it is pretty easy to develop script in Katalon Studio in script mode. Then you learn how to record and play back your script. And you witnessed that the script is working and execution is going pretty well and successful in all major browsers: Chrome, Edge, Firefox. All good? See you in the next lecture. Thank you.